Welcome to Harmonic online tutorial. Let us look at this interesting exponential equation and a tree that x raised to x equals 25, and we are requested to find the value of x that satisfies the exponential equation. So how do you go about it? Let us get started. Now you get to notice that from here that we have x raised to x, so which means the value of x, okay, should be that will be raised by itself to give us 25. First of all, by inserting values of x from 1, let us ascertain what range of the value of x can we get that will give us 25. So let us test for x equals 1. So 1 raised to 1, this will give us 1. Okay, and we can see that 1 is less than 25. So it can be 1. Now let's test for 2 raised to 2. This gives us 4, which is less than 25. And let's test for 3 raised to 3, which gives us 27. And this is greater than 25. You can see that the range of x is between 2 and 3. Okay, now let's solve for x. The first thing we need to do here is to apply ln to both sides of the equation. So here we have ln x raised to x equals ln then 25. Now all we just need to do here is to apply the power log, and the power log says when you have log a raised to b, now this gives us b log a. So all we just need to do is to apply this rule here. So here we have that x ln x then equals ln 25. Also, let us recall one of the rule, okay, that says if you have that x can be e raised to ln x. Okay, so let's apply this rule to this x. So here we have that e raised to ln x then times ln x equals ln 25. So let us rewrite this appropriately. So it gives us that ln x then e ln x then equals ln 25. Okay, now at this point you get to notice that the base here is the same as the exponent here. So we come up with the Lambert W function, and the Lambert W function can only be applied when you have an expression like this, a e raised to a, and this actually will give us a. Okay, and if you get to notice from here, you will see that this is a and this is also a. So applying the Lambert W function here, we have that w, then you have ln x e ln x then equals w ln 25. So at this point, so here we have ln x then equals w ln 25. Okay, and at this point I want to clear off this ln, and how do we do that is to apply e as a base to both sides. So we have here e and we have here e. So by this, e clears off ln and we are left with x equals e raised to w ln 25. Okay, and w ln 25, which is this, is evaluated as x equals e 1.0868 3. Okay, and if we can also evaluate this now, which gives us that x equals 2.963288959231, which is the value of x that satisfies the equation. Alright, thank you, and please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Bye bye.